it up. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I've always been a fighter. Without you, I give up. Now I can sing a love song like the way it's meant to be, but I guess I'm not that good anymore. But baby, it's just me, and I will love you, baby, always, and I'll be there forever and a day. Always, I'll be there till the stars don't shine, till the heavens burst, and the words don't rhyme. And when I die, you'll be on my mind, and I love you always.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Sharp Boss, you're a clear contender, and that was a very good performance. It had all the right emotions. It was packed, I'd say. Very good presentation, very good arrangement, very good connection. It was really good.
Anthony.
I didn't like the song, but I felt the emotion.
Aline.
Well, look for me afterwards. Lick a shot, boss. That was great. You are so special. I think you have a very signature voice. Nobody else that has ever entered this competition sings like you. Where do you get that gorgeous tone from? Really good job. Plus, every time you sing, me want ball. Good job.
Thanks, judges.